Ow! Don't hurt it. Ow! What you hit me for? Huh? What you hit me for?
You squeezed me.
I squeezed you.
You like that.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Liar.
I'm not lying.
That pies are fire.
No, my pet's not fire.
Here, Mimi.
No. Come on, let's blow up a balloon right now. Let's blow up a balloon. You and me. Ready?
Yeah, wait. Watch. That's yours.
That's what I'm doing.
I'm doing something.
What are you doing?
X.
X. Guitar. Ow! That hurt.
It's hard to blow up, huh?
Elephant.
That tickled my lips.
I know. It's very ticklish.
You blow up it.
I can't.
Then put water in it.
It won't do any good. Shall not pass. Huh.
Shiny.
Shine it!
You shiny.
You shiny.
No, you.
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 Poo poo.
Poo poo.
Mm.
Poo poo head.
Poo poo face.
Poo poo head.
Poo poo tail.
I'll do this in the rage.
What?
Watch. See this?
Why are you doing that?
Because
Why do you do that?
I can.
Okay, this is weird. This is weird.
Why is it weird?
Because take it off.
I can't.
Why? It's gonna be stuck on you. Your eyelash gonna come off.
No, it won't come off. Ow, 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 ow.
No! No!
Got you. You see that? She hit me. You hit Uncle? You hit Uncle?
No.
Get up, Bonnie. The people have seen that. She hit me. You hit Uncle.